We've adapted our classroom. We started changing everything during the last year of COVID. We spoke with our students because there was a mini revolt in our class where students they were tired, they were exhausted with the pandemic, and they were looking for something new. So as an entire class, we sat them down and we said, what would you like to do with this class? If you could do anything in the class, what would you do? So they came out with ideas. They said they wanted it to feel a bit more like home. They were tired of the traditional desks, the traditional chairs. So we gutted everything, the whole classroom, and we made it like our own little blank canvas. And with their help, they came up with ideas. So if you look all around the classroom, you'll see we have kitchen tables, right? We have Adirondack chairs, we have a standing table, we have a tech bar, we have workstations, we have our little Zen zone in the back. This is all from the students and it's for the students. The most important thing is that we want this to be a safe space for them when they come in the morning. A lot of our guys, they might have, maybe not the best of times outside of school. So when they're in school, we want this to be the best for them and we want them to feel, like I said, safe.